Hello everyone, I am Nilesh and today I will be talking about my work titled Unveiling Physiological Responses during 3 different socially anxious activities. Social anxiety is a mental disorder where one feels or fears being negatively judged in front of others. This fear, when it starts affecting one's ability to perform daily tasks, is termed social anxiety disorder. Usually, SAD is diagnosed via clinical interviews or a self-report measure. However, the clinical interviews are time-consuming and require frequent visits, while the self-report suffers from the recall bias problem. Now, as we are clear about our SAD, let us try to understand how our brain works during the anxiety episode. Amygdala, an important part of the brain, is associated with processing of fearful events, and it controls the cortisol, which is also known as a stress hormone. Further, it also controls heart rate, skin conductance, etc. Now, while knowing amygdala controls skin conductance and heart rate, our goal was to explore the effect of anxiety on these. Now coming to our study design, our study consisted of 4 phases, that is baseline, anticipation, activity and reflection phase. In baseline, the participants were asked to sit idle for 2 minutes. In anticipation phase, the participants were asked to anticipate about the upcoming activity. In activity phase, the participants were asked to perform the activity, and in the reflection phase, the participants were asked to think about their performance. Our study design is a novel study design which is first to assess anxiety using 3 different socially anxious activities in a single study. Previously, the most researchers have used only one activity. Here the image shows the research assistant and 3 participants participating in a study session and a sensor placement. There were a total of 40 study sessions where each study session took around an average of 1.5 hours. A total of 111 participants participated in the study. From ECG and GSR, we derived features like HRV and skin conductance response respectively. For finding the SAD severity, we used a SPIN questionnaire, which is a validated self-report survey consisting of 17 questions. The participants were divided into 4 groups based on the literature, where G1 is the non-SAD group and G4 consists of the participant with high SAD severity. Following, we hypothesized that SAD participant will exhibit higher heart rate and reduce heart rate variability compared to the non-SAD in baseline and all activities. While for GSR, we hypothesized that there will be a significant difference between the SAD and non-SAD group. We applied ANOVA to identify whether the participant from G1, G2, G3 and G4 differ significantly in baseline and activities. Now, after getting the results from ANOVA, we also applied the post-hoc test to identify the groups that differ significantly in baseline and all activities. These are the results where we can see the moderate and severe SAD group, that is G3 and G4, exhibited a reduced heart rate variability and a higher heart rate. Now coming to the conclusion, HF is the potential biomarker of SAD in only resting state, while MeanNN and HR are the potential biomarker of SAD during both resting and most of the activities. Thank you.